When you catch a duck, fishing.
I almost got him now. I almost got him. He's on. No, stop. Chill. You're almost away. You gotta relax. Just one more second, bro. One more second, bro. Chill,
This is gonna end bad.
chill, bro. Chill. Get the net. Oh man, this may go bad. Yo! What the fish snatcher? Hey, chill, bro. Chill, my guy. Oh, he's gonna kill me. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared of the duck. Oh, he's flapping. Chill, bro. Chill. Duck, goose. Duck, goose. Got his head. I'm about to cut the line on both sides. All right. We got the line cut for the rod. Steve Irwin out here. Get this out. Woo! Oh my God! What is going on right now? We got him, y'all. We saved him.